Good sir, I'm sure you're not supposed to be attacking each other. Hey guys, it's your girl Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. If you're enjoying my Demon Slayer content, please remember to like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon that's next to it because that alerts you when a new video has been posted. Also check out the description below because you can find the link to my Demon Slayer content playlist, and you can also find links to my other socials, so you can drop me some support over there as well. And I need you to leave your comments in the comment section. Guys, by doing everything that I've just listed, this lets YouTube know that you're enjoying my content. Therefore, they'll push it out more. So guys, we are back. Whoop, whoop. Season 3 of Demon Slayer. We're back. It's been a year, hasn't it? I think it's been an exact year because I'm sure, or a little more than a year, but it's in the same range it came out last year in. And this year we don't have the movie situation, which I thought was it kind of threw people off because you had the movie in the season 2 that split up in episodes, and then the actual season 2 didn't start until halfway dog. So I know that caused a lot of confusion with a lot of people. So we don't have that this year. They went straight in. They didn't do a movie and then go into season 3. They just went straight into season 3. So that's going to be interesting. So the only thing that I know about this season is that we are going to have 2 Hashiras instead. So we're going to have the Love Hashira and the Mist Hashira. And all I know is that Kakashi's VA is supposed to be in this. So it's going to be interesting. I just know he's the upper one voice actor, but I don't know how the upper one looked because I felt like that would be spoilers. So I didn't go looking for any more information. As soon as that was out, that was it. I washed my hands of any information in Demon Slayer until it came out. So I am interested. I'm not even going to talk about the animation because what the name, Ufotable? They never dropped the ball on animation, so I know we're gonna have the animation. So me ain't even gotta speak on it. Me even gotta say, oh, I hope this animation stays stopped. I know it will because it's a damn studio that don't got budget, and I know it's gonna be fire. The animation, yes. So I'm hyped. I know about y'all, but I'm hyped. So we're going on to episode 1 of season 3, which is called Someone's Dream. With that being said, let's jump into this episode. Oh, are we picking off exactly? Nah, man, are we? Oh, that's bad luck, sweetie. We are actually picking up exactly where we left off. Alright? My babies. Look at my babies. Just one.
100年もの間変わらなかった状況が波紋は広がってゆくだろう。周囲を巻き込んで大きく揺らし、あの男の元へ届く。鬼物人無惨は必ず私たちが僕唯一の汚点である。お前は
So blemish on my family. Ooh, I need you to go into that because is that your ancestor? Cause so blemish. I don't think he would say that if his family was trying to hunt Muzan for years and it just couldn't. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, wait. The Infinity Castle or Corridor? No, Castle. People were saying this was supposed to be in season 2. Well, they only give us a little sneak peek of it. Ooh. I already told you the animation would be fire. Hey, bitch. This bitch ass. Damn bitch. Oh, I said what I said. Oh shit. That scared me a little bit. Who are you breaking the fourth wall? Yes, we know who you are. This is a goddamn movie. Oh yeah, I was like, okay, Infinity Castle. Oh shit. Yeah! His OST. It is an actual castle in there. Is that a remix of his OST? Ooh-wee! Demon Slayer is the first episode, goddammit. It's the first episode. Give us a break. Oh shit, that scared me there. Is she an upper? Ew. Is the Grudge or the Ring to come out like that? The Grudge. Oh, God. Why he got lips for eyes? Oh, he's 5. Yeah. Four. Oh, it is a lucky number. Yay. I'm guessing she's not an upper. She just there. Oh. Oh, she talks. Okay, I thought she never talked. Let me see the upper one. Ah, that's why y'all scared. Cause if he did, that means y'all could lose. Hello, light. Oh, his eyes are beautiful. You can back up though.
Yeah. 久しいな、Gyokko。お前がくれた壺、女の生首を生けて飾ってあるよ。俺の部屋に。あれは首を生けるもの。
Akaza, do you not like Doma?
どかせ。腕をどかせ。
Good sir. I'm sure you're not supposed to be attacking each other. Oh, he here. Oh shit. Bitch, you got so Wait. Hold on, ain't that? Prostrate yourself, people. Woo-wee!
雄太郎が死んだの月が欠けた。
にございますか。それは申し訳ありませぬ。が紹介したものゆえ。
Oh yeah, he did.
玉をほじくり出しましょうか。それとも
必要ない貴様の目玉などは負けると思っていた。案の定。
All that shit down, but Naki, when you're hyping up.
目から牛太郎が戦っていれば勝っていた。
I had a feeling, yeah, I do see that.
毒を食らわせた後まで。
But a lot of what ifs, yeah.
もうどうでもいい。
A lot of what ifs, so.
くだらぬ。人間の部分を多く残していたものから負けていく。期待しない。
ように悲しいことをおっしゃいなさる。俺があなた様の期待に応えなかった時がでしょうか。
Bitch, he will list them.
産屋敷一族をいまだに葬っていない。
Who's that?
青い彼岸花はどうした？
Is that a ooh? What's the master's name? No, can't find it. Wait. Okay, wait. Hold on.
私は貴様らの存在理由がわからなくなってきた。
Man, when your god, oh, wait. Unnecessary animation. Bitch, when your god said, why do you even exist? Child, it's time to find a new savior. I feel like that's the master. Or because we're in the Swordsmith Village arc. Could it be the Swordsmiths as well?
様に一歩近づくためのの今しがった。
私が嫌いなものは
Bitch.
状況の変化、肉体の変化はほとんどの場合劣化だ。衰えなのだ。
Oh, Mr. Smooth Criminal. Look at him.
完璧な状態で永遠に変わらないこと。
No evolution though? You getting off?
様の手が私の頭に。
113年ぶりに上限を殺されて、不定していない情報を危機として伝えようとするな。
You gotta tell that to people. Stop giving me unconfirmed information.
これからはもっと死に物狂いは上限だからという。
Bitch, you been lenient? Oh, okay. Okay, I need to see when you full force. So that's the 5th and the 4th. Oh, we got 2 demons to deal with? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I guess that's why you have 2 Hashiras this season.
そんな私が掴んだ情報なのにこむたいな。玉子殿、情報とは何のことだ？一緒に行きたい。いや、それは。
When he's like this, all I can hear is Daizai as well.
くれないか？この通りだ。
Excuse me? I need to stop being shocked. They can't kill each other. Who's that? Alright, Byakuya. He reminds me of Byakuya, not that that's Byakuya's voice. Bitch, you look like Tanjiro. Oh, he's like, stay in your place. That's Daizai.
今度ところで赤座殿は我らに勝てまいが、加えて俺に至っては赤座殿よりも後で鬼となり早く出世したのだから、彼も内心穏やかではあるまい。それに俺はわざと避けなかったんだよ。いう風にして仲良くなって。
I'm sorry, all I hear is Daizai.
上に立つ者は下の者にそう目くじら立てず。
Bitch, what is on your face? Let me see your face. Turn it. Ah! Never mind, I don't want to see it. Bitch, that's Tanjiro's ancestor. He said, beat me, and then you could talk. Okay, you ain't gotta keep showing his face. Woo-wee! 6 eyes.
会話に入れてもらえなかったような気がするのだが、考えすぎだよな、赤座殿。赤座殿！途中なのに。 私とハンテングを同じ場所に飛ばして待ってくれ。
Okay, so she just teleports. Mikey, I said, bitch, if you don't sit down. She's annoyed with him.
もしよかったらこの後俺と
Don't do that.
お断りします。
Damn.
でも彼も釣れないな。おそ様。
Huh?
お見えです。
Is that a human?
ああ、本当かい。
Oh no, he's tired of a cult, isn't he?
ちょっとかぶってからどうぞどうぞ入ってもらっておくれ。お茶が入りましたよ。
Excuse me? Where are we?
ああ、ありがとう。
いやー、よく寝てるな。すみませんね。女房も寝てしまったようでない。客人に子守りをさせてしまって。
Oh, okay, wait, hold
気
on.
にするな。
I'm not saying nothing until I hear this out.
子供を産んで育てるのは大変なことだ。これを飲んだら私は出ていく。死を食い続けるのも忍びない。
そんな、あなたは命の恩人だ。
Saved
あ
our
なたがいなけれ
lives.
ば俺たちどころかこの子も生まれていなかった。
So is he not related to Tanjiro? I thought that was Tanjiro and oh, hold on.
わかりました。
Hold on.
あなたのことを後世に伝えます。
To prosperity.
必要ない。
後を継ぐ方がいなくて
You
困
have
っておら
no
れるんでし
heirs.
ょ。しがない炭焼きの俺には無理でも。
Which Tanjiro said that was his family. Charcoalers.
必要ない。住吉。
Shimi. Okay, okay. I think I.
道を極めた者がたどり着く場所はに至るまでの道のりが違おうとも
Is that. Okay.
必ず同じ場所に行き着く。
Is that the same sword that demon had?
私が何か特別な人間のように私は大切なものを
I
何一
failed
つ
to
守
protect
れず
anything that was important to
人
me.
生においてなすべきことをなせなかったものだ。価値もない男なのだ。
Well, damn, no, it's not.
そんな風に言わないでほしい。
Okay. I'm gonna talk to that end. I have a lot of theories about this. Damn! Who dropped? Oh! Kana, why you dropped it?
大丈夫？戦いの後2ヶ月
2 months?
なかったのよ。目が覚めて
That's your girl, Tanjiro.
よかった。
I was waiting for that.
俺は後藤というものだ。
Hello, Goto.
鬼殺隊事後処理部隊公会議の時、かまど炭治郎にいつまで寝てんださっさと起
That was
きねえ
you.
かと言ったのが俺だ。
That was you.
2ヶ月前優香
Oh, you always here, man.
したのも俺だ。って言ったら3人とも意識不明の重体だった。俺よりも年下で剣士になって命がけで戦うあいつ、こいつはわけわからん。何これ？未だに意識が戻らないあいつへの贈り物。
Aw, that's cute.
あいつは
You
鼻
think
が
he
いい
gonna
らしい。
smell it?
もしかしたら片付けるや。何でもやりっぱなしだなこの子マジで。のこれカステラ置いとくんでしばらくしたら下げてください。
ありがとうございます。
What? You did not see his eyes open?
上とか下とか関係ねえからな、茨城は。
Damn.
きよちゃん、すみちゃん、なおちゃん、あおいちゃん、炭治郎、意識戻ったぜ。
I'm not breathing. Aw, my babies. Not them trying to feed him. Oh, damn.
みんな大丈夫ですか？
黄色い頭のやつは一昨日だっけ？はい。復帰してるぜ。チ
Already?
ームに出てるらしい。嫌がりながら。
Well, that makes sense.
翌日には目を覚ましたんですよ。
小柱は自分で歩いてたな。 嫁さんの肩借りてたけど。
His hand is really gone.
感情すぎて。
伊之助さんも一時危なかったんです。伊之助さん、すごく状態が悪かったの。
天井に張り付いてる猪之助。
は
俺の幻覚なんだな。
Inosuke, really? Bitch, you call my name right in season 2. Call my name right again. Jesus Christ. 7 days.
よかった。
そうだ、炭治郎さん。見てください、この本。三つ穴熊っていう外国のイタチです。ないから、毒蛇であっても食べちゃうし。
Is that supposed to be Inosuke?
伊之助さんはこれと同じだって忍様が。ちょっと降りてよ。
つまり俺は不死身ってことだ。
いや違うだろ。バカじゃねえの。
誰がバカだこの野郎。
辛いけど薬も効き。
Oh, so it's a double-edged sword for him. Okay. Speak up for your man. Tanjiro's asleep already? Well,
またこいつ昏睡した。
元気の悪いこと言うんじゃないわ
what are we gonna do with Inosuke?
静かにしてください。早く回復してたくさん食べれるように。
Somebody get Inosuke. What? Oh, is the cat? Why are you shaky, baby? Oh, even the cat. Oh, not the Titanic. I was waiting when we will see Zenitsu.
葵さん、今俺のことを思い出してる。
Why are we breaking the fourth
俺
wall?
に会いたい。絶対会いたいよね。
うるさい。そして炭治郎さんは回復の訓練を。
Look at the animation.
ててて。
Unnecessary.
眠ってる間に
う
刀届いてない。刃こぼれしてしまったやつなんだけど。
刀ですか？
Uh-oh.
鋼塚さんからお手紙は来てます。
Oh my god. This man said I got no swords for the like to you.
あったんですけど、刀は届いてなくて。
体は刃こぼれだけだったんだけどな。
Yeah, but you chipped it immediately as you got it.
行ってみてはどうですか？直接
That's the name of the
した
art.
方がいいかと。
っていいの？
はじめまして。親方様より許可が出ましたので、役の事情で名乗ることはできませんが、よろしくお願いします。
Okay.
これは？
目隠しと耳栓です。里は隠されています。
Oh,
それと、あなたは私
they're
の背中
bright. So
さらに鼻が利くというあなたには、
they're bright. So nobody know. That makes sense. So you're like, y'all not gonna know this area.
日輪刀を作る刀鍛冶の里は知られて、襲撃され
Yeah,
ることを
exactly.
知らなければならない。里の場所は誰も知らない。もちろんこの女性も場所を知らない。つまり一定の距離で
Bright. So everybody only knows a small part. Therefore, that if they're ever kidnapped because they never give their name, they don't show their face, they can't give that information out.
案内されるが、そのカラスも同じで
That's bright. That is bright.
お気をつけて。いいやつだな。
He is a good child.
親方様のいる屋敷は方法で隠されているらしい。
Okay.
いやー、頭がいい人ってすごいね。
They're bright. So it's either him or the swordsmith that the demons are looking for. It's either the two.
すごい建物ですね。しかもこの匂い。近くに
That's
温泉があるようだ。
はい、おっしゃる通りです。ちょうど疲れを癒しに行かれてください。その前に、長の家がこの突き当たりを左に曲がったところにあります。晩最初に挨拶しに行ってください。はい、
Okay.
私はこれで失礼します。
ありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。
Oh, we in a valley. Oh, there she is.
感謝の山彦が聞こえた。来たのかしら。なんだかドキドキしちゃう。
Toki toki.
こんにちは。
So they all wear this clown mask. Tecchin. Okay, maybe it's not Swordsmith then. It gotta be the master then he's looking for. Yeah. And of course Tanjiro will do it. Tanjiro is just a humble baby. Missing? I'm guessing that's Hangi's.
Hotaru?
Oh yeah. Haganezuka. I'm calling him Hotaru from now on. Oh shit! Is that the reason he get mad? Oh shit! Oh shit! I think that's exactly what they're gonna do to him. Ooh. I love the process of blacksmithing.
俺たちは刀を震えるんですね。ありがとうございます。何のお役目ですから礼には及びません。
Such a good boy, Tanjiro.
いろんな効能があって切り傷、やけど、イボ痔、
Not hemorrhoids.
便秘、痛風から失恋の痛みまで何でも効くのでぜひゆっくり入。
Why are we screaming? Oh. Yeah. Tanjiro said that we are animation. This anime is for all animation. We're not for fan service. Close her up. Tanjiro said we are not the animation known for all fan service. Let's not do that. Hotaru? Oh my girl, like to eat. Oh, she looks so. Bitch. That's a tooth? Oh, Bakugo. And he under that other one that I was crying, the Hashira. Yep, that's Bakugo. Yeah, what a cool car. Oh, Lord. No, you did not think that. Not Nezuko. Where Nezuko child come from? Oh, bitch. Goku, Luffy.
温泉で会ったのは品津川玄也という俺の同期でしたよ。
そうだったの。さんの弟さんでしょ。でも品津川さん弟いないって言ってたの。仲悪いのかしら。
Interesting.
だろう。
No.
どうしたのねずこちゃん。ほら。
No.
私のうちは5人兄弟だけど仲良しだから。
いいですね。本人と少しでも話せるといいんですが。
あの子来ないみたいよ。
Nezuko is attached.
里の人が話してた。
I wonder if she sees her as her mom.
握り飯でも持っていこう。
そうね。そうしましょう。ねずこちゃん、ねずこちゃん。私ね、おにぎり見てたらね。
Yeah, girl, you could eat.
じさんはなぜ鬼殺隊に入ったんですか？
That'll be something gruesome.
恥ずかしいな。
Or maybe not.
どうしよう。遂げる殿方を。
Huh?
強い人がいいでしょ。
Oh, like you're strong then.
わかるこの気持ち。男の子には難しいかな。会えないからね。
She's strong. I guess I come because I need somebody stronger than me. Kanjuri.
まもなく刀が研ぎ終わるそうです。 工房の方へ来ていただきたく。
Oh, you can make final adjustment.
もう行かなきゃいけないみたい。多分深夜経つことになるから。
Oh, she's so attached.
いやでもそうですか。
今度また生きて会えるかわからないけど。
don't say
行
that.
きましょうね。2と戦って生き残った。これはすごい経験よ。
Amen.
罪に
Not many can say that.
これ以上ないほど価値がある。シロ君は前よりももっとずっと強くなってる。甘露寺みつりはかまど兄弟を応援してるよ。
She's so
でも
attached.
まだまだです俺は。勝たせてもらっただけです。
Not Uzi let me win.
もっともっと頑張ります。鬼物寺無惨に勝つために。
Oh, Tanjiro regained these girls. Tanjiro regained the girls.
この里には強くなるための秘密の武器があるらしいな。探してみてね。じゃあね。
Tanjiro. Even Tanjiro's affected. But he regained all the girls. All the girls like Tanjiro.
うわー朝からごちそうですね。
取れたもの、魚も今朝川で取ったものなんですよ。
Oh, everything's fresh. Organic.
鋼塚さんが見つかり次第。
I hope nothing's wrong with him. I know I was laughing how they were treating him, but I hope he's just missing on his own accord.
いただきます。
Bit-
ネズコ、兄ちゃんさ、
Oh, because the sword is still old.
体も休めなきゃいけないんだけど、鋼塚さんを待ってる間、甘露寺さんに教えてもらった強くなるための秘密の武器を探してみようかと思うんだ。行くか？
What else you? Well, technically, you could have leave the box, but
武器ってなんだろうな。
oh, she's a wake wake.
花かな。いいところなんだけど、温泉の匂いが強い。
Oh yeah, it'll sell like sulfur.
おいな、いい加減にしろ。
君こそいい加減にしなよ。
Hashira I don't know his name.
確か柱の。
なんでお前に渡さなくちゃいけ
なんて
ないんだ。
言ってたっけ、忍さん。
なんだかなんだか知らないけど、勝手なんだよ。
そうだ。
早くどっか行けよ。
霞柱、時藤無一郎。
Tokito and Kanroji.
柱がもう一人来ていたんだ。
この先祖が作った大事なものなんだ。
もう一人誰かいるのか。
だから渡さないって言ってるだろ。
What?
俺は人？
What?
誰だろう。てる、俺見覚えがある。
Okay, I got some theories. Hear me out, guys. Hear me out. First theory. That the upper one demon is. Oh God! Wait, my theory. Oh my. Okay. So from my understanding, I'm sure Tanjiro said his father's name was Tanjiro as well, or Tanjiro. In season 1, when he introduced himself to Hotaru, when he was trying to say no, when Hotaru was trying to tell him he's the child of fire, he's like, no, I'm the child of so and so. I'm sure he said that his dad had a similar name to his. So more than likely that flashback is an ancestor. Wait, that just happens to look like him. Like, you know, sometimes when you go back into your history, you find an ancestor that looks just like you. I think that's what that was. So that was the first person to meet the sun breather. But I thought he was part of he was the ancestor. It doesn't seem like he's related to Tanjiro at all. He just it looked like he just passed down the sun breathing through Tanjiro's bloodline. Because he said you have no heirs. And give me your name so it can start that this child in my hand will be your heir. So it's more of a symbolic. Tanjiro is more a symbolic heir than an actual heir to it. It seems that way. First, I was thinking the upper rank demon was him, was the ancestor. But he made a comment that he couldn't save people, therefore my name is worthless. So, hear me out, guys. Is the upper rank his brother, because I was trying to see. I gotta look back to see the sword. No, I don't think the sword was the same as the one that we saw. So it's either a few things. Either that guy is actually the sun breeder is actually the upper rank demon, or the upper rank demon and him are brothers. So that's why he felt compelled to say that I'm worthless now because my brother got captured by, well, not captured, maybe, well, yeah, captured and turned by Muzan. Maybe that's what he said it. Now we got this guy that looks exactly like him, which is impossible because I'm sure this is 100 years. This guy, he gotta be old. If he was alive, he'd be ancient. You see, they do this to always confuse us because first they made it seem like that was Tanjiro's father, but it's like, nah, can't be. Now it's like, okay, what is he? So it seems to be like he's not related to Tanjiro at all. It's just that he used Tanjiro's bloodline to make sure that the son breeding got carried on because he didn't have children. Okay, cool. That was a dope scene between the upper ranks, and we see that Akaza has no love for Doma. And it seems like he has, I don't want to say he don't look like he have love for the upper rank. I know it's a K, Koboshiki or something like that. But it's more of, I'm going to take over your spot. And they were shook. Akaza was shook because he's like, who got taken down? It was the upper one. Because they automatically knew if the upper one was taken down, that's it for them. Because if your strongest person is taken down already, y'all ain't got nothing. Doma looks like he's in part of a cult. So it's, like, it got some people who, and I'm guessing he's using his looks. So, well, it makes sense why we see him with women body count. So I'm guessing they will throw themselves at him to get prosperity and he kills them. Okay. Anywho, then we got into meeting the Hashira. Well, the one true Hashira that we really met was Mitsuri Kanroji. And she's adorable, but it makes sense why she's like that. Because even when we first met her, because she's the Love Hashira, she didn't have an ill will to Tanjiro. So it makes sense why she was playing with Nezuko and talking as though, yeah, I have no issues with you guys. And it's so cute how Nezuko is attached to her. So I want to know, I think she might see her as her mother. Because she was playing with her, she was hugging her, she's attached. And oh God, I'm praying nothing goes wrong. So, another thing, so I just want to know who that family is he's looking for. I don't believe it's the Swordsmith now because the chief had a whole different name. Something with a T. They're looking for Ubuyashikis. So I think that's the master they're looking for. They're looking for him because if the master is eliminated, or that family is eliminated, that means they will essentially have the upper hand against the demon slayers. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see this season because now I got so many questions about Tanjiro's basically ancestry. I got so many questions about the upper one. He was haunting looking, but he looked exactly like how Tanjiro, he looked exactly like Tanjiro, and because he has the same mark as well. His own was up here and up here. And then it looked like there's somebody that looks exactly like the guys we've been seeing. Same earrings. So I'm guessing, you know how there are certain families that are tied together for life? I feel like Tanjiro is tied together with that person for life. So there will always be somebody who, in essence, reborn in the family that look exactly like who each other is. Maybe that's what's going on. And then we're going to meet the next Hashira, which is the Mist Tokito. He was also one of the guys Uzi was talking about, who picked up a sword in 2 months, and was able to become a Hashira in 2 months. So it's gonna be interesting. I like the setup. Again, animation top 10. They animated glass breaking. That was clean. They animated glass breaking. Imagine that. And then we had of course, your little jokes in between. We had Tanjiro said, "Hey, this anime is only known for its animation, okay? We are well known for animation. We don't do fan service here. Click, let's close it up." Which is the opposite of a lot of animes. They would just let it go. But that was cute. But it just shows you Tanjiro's personality. Again, you see Tanjiro is a good boy. Always humble, always saying thank you. But let me tell you something. That system of letting people not know where that village is, top tier thinking. So one person only know where one part goes, another one takes over. So there's only one person, and I love the fact that you don't see their faces, you don't know their names. So even if you're captured and they're like, who will give me access to the Swords village, they'll be like, I don't know. I don't have that information. Because the person that took me, I don't know how they look, I don't know their name. I didn't see where we were going either. So that's that was a bright thing. Again, great start. Animation, I think the animation got better, which is hard to say, but the animation looks even crispier. Like this was a movie quality episode, and it was episode 1. You give us a movie quality, bitch. What else you gonna give us in the next 10 episodes? 10 or 11? I think it's 10. Alright guys, let's pack it up. So with that being said, if you enjoyed my reaction, please remember to like the video, hit that subscribe button, leave your comments in the comment section. Guys, a like, a sub, a comment, a share of this video goes a long way in expanding this channel. And thank you guys so much for your support. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.